Water pumps are essential equipment for any household or commercial establishment that requires a reliable water supply. There are many products available to choose water pumps, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best water pumps from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vivison 850 GPH 60W Submersible Pump. The Vivison Submersible Pump is a versatile and durable water pump suitable for various occasions such as fish tanks, ponds, aquariums, and hydroponic systems. With a max flow rate of 850 GPH and a max lift height of up to 9.2 feet, this pump is capable of thorough water pumping. The bottom inlet of the pump allows for super suction that can pump water as low as 0.5 millimeters, making water pumping more efficient. The built-in thermal protector chip ensures the pump stops when the temperature reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 85 degrees Celsius, preventing it from draining and pumping water. The pump is ultra-quiet, making only 28 dB sound, and the ceramic shaft core uses a high-strength wear-resistant rotor that is acid and corrosion-resistant. Number 2. Little Giant APSP 1700 115 volt. Little Giant Pool Cover Pump is a powerful and automatic water pump designed to remove water from pool covers, boat covers, or rooftops. With a built-in float switch, the pump activates when the water level reaches 2 inches and turns off when the water drops to 1 inch. The pump is easy to maintain, with access to the pump float and airlock for cleaning without the need for any tools or screws. Its ergonomic handle makes it easy to move and place, while its compact weighted design ensures stability. The pump is easy to set up with a 1-inch FNPT discharge and 3/4-inch garden hose adapter included to fit standard 3/4 garden hoses. With a 25-foot power cord, the pump can easily reach the power source in most installations. Number 3. AGI-Man Sump Pump. The AGI-Man submersible pump offers impressive efficiency with a maximum drainage speed of 1,100 gallons per hour, allowing you to clear water quickly. Its design includes a built-in temperature-control chip, ensuring safety by preventing overheating during use. With a generous 25-foot power cord, you can easily reach distant areas without hassle. The included 16-foot drainage hose and 4 hose adapters provide versatility for different tasks, making it ideal for draining pools, hot tubs, and more. This pump not only simplifies your water removal tasks but also enhances your overall convenience. Number 4. Vivison 1600 GPH Submersible Water Pump. The Vivison Submersible Pump offers durable construction and essential overload protection, making it a reliable choice for your water features. Its innovative motor technology ensures quiet operation and energy efficiency, saving you money on electricity while delivering impressive power. You can easily adjust the water outlet direction, allowing you to customize your setup for various applications. Additionally, the thoughtful design includes a detachable filter and barrier bag that prevent clogs, extending the pump's lifespan and enhancing your overall experience. With a generous power cord, setup is straightforward and hassle-free. Number 5. 110V Electric Shallow Well Pump. The AmpForce Shallow Well Pump is designed for efficient water transfer and irrigation. Its powerful copper motor delivers a significant boost in water flow, making it ideal for various tasks like drawing water from wells and ponds. With its durable stainless steel construction, you can trust it to withstand the elements without rusting. The pump also features an easy-to-carry handle, allowing you to transport it effortlessly to different water sources. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its included check valve and versatile hose adapters, ensuring you can connect it to your existing setup with ease.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.